In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timer to your car.co site. If you've been looking to enhance your website's interactivity or simply want to incorporate a timer for special events or countdowns, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in and get started. First, take a look at the top right corner of your card editor. You'll notice a plus icon there. Go ahead and click on that plus icon, as it allows you to add a new element to your site. This is the first step towards incorporating a timer into your layout. Now, once you've clicked the plus icon, you should see a variety of options for different elements you can add. Look for the timer element and click on it. Selecting the timer element will immediately bring up its properties panel on the left side of your screen. This properties panel is where you'll set up and manage how your timer works. In the Properties panel, the first thing you'll want to do is decide on the type of timer that best suits your needs. You have a few different options here: the default timer, a countdown, a count up, or even a duration timer. Each of these has its own use cases. For example, a countdown is perfect for marking down to a specific event or deadline, while a count up might be useful for tracking how much time has passed since a particular milestone. After you've selected your timer type, let's move on to personalizing its appearance. To do this, click on the paintbrush icon located at the top of the Properties panel. This section allows you to change various aspects of the timer's appearance, such as color, size, and other visual details. Take your time here to choose colors and sizes that align well with the overall theme and aesthetic of your website. Furthermore, if you're up for a bit of extra customization, you can explore adding animations to your timer. Animations can lend a dynamic flair to how the timer appears and behaves on your site. However, I'll leave this part to your own exploration and creativity. Feel free to tinker with these settings until you find the perfect fit for your site's unique style and functionality. And there you have it. You've successfully added a timer to your car.co site. Remember, these timers can be a great way to engage visitors, count down to a significant event, or simply add an element of interest to your web page. Enjoy experimenting with the settings and making this feature work wonderfully for your needs. Thanks for tuning in and happy building!